Good morning. Let's see who pops on. My name is Dr. Patty Ford, and I am here at the airport. I am waiting for my flight. It goes in an hour, and so I was unable to hop on Wellness Wednesday yesterday, so I figured I'll just do it today. So I'm here, and I'm going to talk about today the need to be right. And what does that mean? And what does that mean in regards to your health? Why am I even talking about this? I think sometimes in nutrition, there are very polarizing concepts where you either need to be an intuitive eater, or you need to eat plants, or you need to eat keto, or you need to eat butter or coconut oil. And there's all these opinions on what you actually need to do to achieve whatever goal, whatever the outcome is. And that is the only way. And that is the way that everybody should eat. That is the way that the world should eat. And that is why our society is failing and all this stuff. But what if this philosophy, I feel like I look really orange in this light. What if this philosophy is only true for that person in that moment, and it's what's serving them now? And then in 3 months, something else is going to serve them. So does that mean the thing that they did 3 months ago was wrong? Or what they're doing in 3 months is wrong
Los Angeles
or right?
International Airport is proud to welcome and support our active duty military and their families. The Bob Hope USO, located at the historic
Who's right when it
building,
comes to
is
nutrition and
open
health?
during
So
limited
my
hours
practice,
to provide
what I
a
love
range of
to,
hospitality services.
this might not be the best idea.
Operating hours, capacity, and services.
What I love to practice is it doesn't really matter. I mean, it does a little bit, but the what of eating is just a tiny portion of your picture of health. It's just a tiny portion. It's an important portion. But if all you're caught up in is the what, you're missing out on so many other things. You're missing out on how, you're missing out on the pleasure of the food, you're missing out on the preparation of the food, you're missing out on the socialization of the food, you're missing out on so many things, and you're only focused on one piece. And then the potential of preaching that piece to everybody else is injurious. So if you get caught up in, I need to be right, this is the only way to eat, there's some misalignment there, and that's not going to help your health. What you can do now to serve you now is going to be different than in 3 months. It's going to be different tomorrow. The body is in constant movement. It's in constant change. There's constant energy being pushed in and out of everything. And so it's so important that you focus on what your body needs for you. And that's going to be different than my neighbor. That's going to be different than anybody else in this airport. And that's what I like to do, is really figure out what is best for you. And it's not up to me to tell you. I can tell you the science. I can tell you the research. It's there. You probably can find it yourself. But what actually is serving for you? What is actually going to help your body change? What is actually going to help your body release the excess weight that you've been holding on to for years? What is actually going to help you gain the weight that you've been wanting to gain for years? Let me help you navigate that. That is mindset. That has nothing to do with flaxseed. I got a kale smoothie. It has nothing to do with kale. Nothing to do with sugar. It is all to do with how you think. And I'm really good at that. I'm really good at figuring out, all right, let's look at your mindset. And then the what of eating becomes simple. You'll know. And that's my practice, is to figure out what goals you want, what's the health that you want to achieve in your body, in your business, or your relationships, and let's get you there. Let's take a step forward. and let me step into your life as a coach. Because if you're stuck on this need to be right and your way is the only way, you're gonna get stuck, and that sucks. So, all right, I'm gonna log off. This is too loud and distracting. I'm having a hard time focusing. But thank you for listening, and I'm headed to San Antonio with my Saint business. I'm partnered with a makeup company, Saint, that allows women to feel beautiful in their own skin. I love the products. I've been doing it for 5 years, and it's a part of my practice. And so if you are interested in trying the products, I can match you virtually. If you're local to me, we can set up a time to meet up together, because how you feel also impacts your health 100%. And beauty is a fascinating concept. Beauty is subjective. Beauty is a feeling, it's an experience. And I love talking about people's feelings and experiences. And Saint allows you to discover that. So, all right, I'll be in San Antonio. You'll probably see lots of pictures online. I am working today. I'm not working much tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday. I typically don't do that. But if you want to reach out and take my assessment to kind of just start the discussion on how you think, comment here. I can measure your subconscious thought patterns. We can have a conversation around it and see if I am able to serve you, if I have the things that you need. So talk to you soon. Okay, bye.